Okay, Debbie,
Oh, I'm unmuted.
I unmuted you.
Can you hear me?
I hear you.
Hear my voice? Let's see. I asked a question about Dan and I. We're at that crossing again about should he go out on his own with his own business with RV repair. And I think I'm the block because I panic every time he talks about it. So I'm wondering if my panic is just me being concerned and worried about how we're going to manage everything, or if there's some truth to it.
Okay. So, and when is he thinking of doing this?
Probably when the snow melts, when RV camping and things like that start to become viable again, April, May.
All right. So, would spring be an optimal time for Dan to venture out into his new RV repair business?
Correct.
Yeah, I get a big yes on that, Debbie.
Okay.
And you know, as it happens, I've been doing a lot of research on that because I have this vision of going in an RV and traveling around the country and channeling for people. So one of the things I've learned is that, oh my gosh, RV repairmen are in such a short supply.
Oh yeah, and he's just amazing. He can do
Yeah.
anything.
I mean, you can like write your own ticket because these people are desperate. Their RVs keep breaking down.
Yeah.
I mean, it's pretty much turned me off of the idea because they're saying you buy a brand new one and they're breaking down because it's like you have to break it in and it breaks down and there's all these repairs to be done and people are in places where there's nobody to help them.
There's
Seems
a lot
to
of
me, yeah. So you ask about holding back. I'm seeing you holding the reins and oh my gosh, that bit is really pulling on his mouth and it's so uncomfortable and like he's ready to race forward. There's opportunity there. And yeah, it's that fear that's holding you back. So a little more faith in Dan.
Yeah.
And his judgment is there because it's a partnership. This is
Is.
all coming into a big circle for you, Debbie. Partnership heavy right now. Yeah. And the two of you, I'm now seeing you as a team of draft horses and you're pulling logs together. You got to pull together. You can't do it separately because it doesn't work.
So should I be doing it with him and we work together? Because that's that's scary because how do I do health insurance?
Okay. So would it be optimal for Debbie to join Dan in the business? I get a no on that.
Okay.
Is that permanently? It would never be optimal for her? No, just not in the beginning. Let him get it going. Let him get it established.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm seeing piles of money now, Debbie. It's like there's so much potential there that you can write your own ticket.
Okay.
But you don't do that all at once. You don't just, leap. You have to slowly build it, build the foundation. I'm seeing bricks now. Yeah. You're building the foundation.
I have another question. We're refinancing our house and we're going to have some extra money. Do we build a building with that or do we pay off the truck so that we own it free and clear?
Okay, so the wisest choice for the extra funds, is that to pay off the truck? Is that to erect a building? I get the building.
Oh, really?
Because truck is a liability, a building is an asset.
Yeah, but we're leasing the truck, so.
Can you split it? Because I'm seeing split.
I'll split the money between a building and the truck. Buy both.
It's a call to be creative, Debbie. It's not black and white. Okay. Color it in. Come up with some other creative. I'm feeling like there's other options. You're just not seeing them right now. Yeah. So come out of the box. And if you could rearrange it in some other way.
That money. Yeah.
Yeah. How might that, and not just, no, they're saying don't just limit it to that money. Look at the big picture. Oh, gosh, and the next logical step. And how can you bring all that together?
Oh, such a puzzle piece.
Yeah. It always is, right? Yeah. We're always fitting the pieces together to get the greatest result. So if we limit ourselves and saying, oh, I just have these two choices. No, you never have just two choices. You always have multiples. So it's about you giving yourself permission to be open to looking for those other choices. Put the word out. Maybe he gets a job on the side that brings in a nice chunk of change and he pays off the truck with that. I don't know. Yeah. Because of course paying off the truck would be great, especially if it's a lease. But the building's an investment.
Right. Right. Just to figure out which building to get.
And they're saying, you know, don't worry about it so much. It's not like it's life and death.
Yeah. Just start.
Just choose something and do it. Make the best choice you can with the information you have now, and you'll be fine. Just keep moving forward. Because there's so many opportunities. I'm seeing them all piling up on the road in front of you.
Okay. All right. So I should stick with my job for now.
For now.
And get going. Work with him this summer when I have it off. And then that money, maybe don't spend it yet. Figure it out as we go, because the path will become clear.
Yeah, one step at a time.
Okay.
But build the foundation before you leave your job.
Oh, yeah, I will. Thank you.
You're welcome. Glad you could be with us. Feel better.
I will. Bye.
Bye.